The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a title right up here. Instead of using a header tag, we're actually going to create a title in Photoshop, and we're going to paste that up there. So let me show you how to do that. This is just like in Web3, but here's a good refresher course. We're going to go File, New, and Blank File. Doesn't really matter the size, whatever comes up, just make sure that it says 100%. We're then going to use the crop tool, which is this tool right here, and we're going to create a box that we believe is about the size we want our title to be. So I'm going to go ahead and make it pretty long, click the check mark, and this is now my new space to create a title. I'm going to click on the text tool or the type tool. I'm now going to click here and type in 9 favorite superheroes. I can then move my text using the move tool into the center of my space. It looks like I need just a little bit more room here, so I'm going to use the crop tool again and lengthen it out slightly. You can click the green check mark and be done with that. Now once I have this in the middle, well, I can also change the text if I'd like. I can change the font here. Here's whatever you want. You can change the size. You can change anything you'd like. Now 72 isn't the biggest size. You can type in a new size. Some students are always concerned about that. And you can change your color, of course. I'm going to go ahead and make this a bluish color. If you right click here on your layer, you can simplify the layer, and this gives you access to the burn and dodge tool effects that so many people are so fond of. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and go with this. And I'm going to try and get rid of some of this extra space here. Alright, I'm ready to save it. File, Save As, and be sure to save it as a PNG file. I'm going to call mine Title and then select PNG from the list. I'm going to save it in my Web4 folder and click Save. Now because it's in the exact same folder as my Web4 Notepad file, I can simply remove my header1 tag and replace it with an IMG tag. IMG space src equals quote title dot png, file and save, and this will now, oh, and don't forget your BR tag. That's going to bring everything down a line. File, save, go to Firefox and refresh. 9 favorite superheroes. So this is the title you can have. Now I chose a blue background here and blue letters, which probably wasn't the best idea. If I change my background color to say a different color, file, save, it'll stick out a little bit better. So we'll go ahead and do that. 9 favorite superheroes. There you go. There's only one step left, and that is to turn each of these into links, and you will do that on the next and last video. So go ahead and get your title in.